Most people have a real hard time understanding what the cost of a remodeling project is. They want to know what that looks like before they get too far involved. So typically what we do is we sit down with a customer and we find out what is the scope, what needs to be included. Do we want to do cabinets here? Do we want to do countertops? Do we want to do floors? Do we want to do shower change outs, etc.? And then we get an idea of what that looks like and we put a budget number against that. What I mean is we haven't selected anything yet. We haven't actually made any decisions of what you want to put in there, but we've put a dollar value against that, giving you an idea of what the cost is going to be. And then if that looks like it's in the range of what you're willing to spend, then we can actually do the design choices and decide, okay, I want specifically this product in that place, this product in that place. What it does is it streamlines the process. It helps give the customer control over the decision-making process, and it helps us to establish up front what this project's going to cost.